welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to capture iPhone audio playback when shooting video. In iOS 18, Apple has introduced a new feature that allows you to continue playing audio from your iPhone speakers while recording video in the camera app. Whether you are creating a music video or simply want background music for your recording, these new options offer you greater activities control over your iPhone videos. Previously, starting a video recording would automatically pause any audio playback on your iPhone. However, in iOS 18 allows you to change this behavior thanks to a new camera settings. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and go to the camera app. Tap on it. Next, tap on record sound. Then toggle on the allow audio playback option. Once enabled, your iPhone will no longer automatically pause audio when you start recording video in the camera app. Bear in mind that when playing audio through your iPhone speaker while recording, the audio will be captured in mono. This new option provides more flexibility than the previous workarounds of using quick take in photo mode, which allowed for continued audio playback but at lower video quality. With iOS 18, you can enjoy full video mode quality while maintaining your desired audio playback. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to capture iPhone audio playback when shooting or videos. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.